you think, everybody, and welcome to the Insectosaurus Show. And today we have no special guest, but be quiet. Okay, today we have a very special guest that I'm putting. We have a very special guest. Okay, we don't have a very special guest. I'm going to show you some special stuff since this is the season finale. This is the what? Shut up. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to show you some books, some vampire books that I expect you, all the people that are watching this video, to read. And if you don't read it, well, you are not a true Insectosaurus fan. Well, if you can't find it, then you still are. But still. Okay, anyways. The first one is called The Vampire Diaries. Okay. Oh. By L.J. Smith. The Vampire Diaries. And this is 2-in-1 book. I have the 2-in-1, that's why it's so big. See, usually it's actually small. It's Awakening and the Struggle. Yes. I expect you to read it. I don't think they can see it okay. And then here's the third and fourth book of The Vampire Diaries by L.J. Smith. The Fury and Dark Reunion. Yes. Oh, look, that's the first one. And then here's the last one, the third one. Summer's borrowing it. I actually have it though. This is the last one, Volume 2, Shadow Souls. And then my favorite vampire books of all time. I read kind of too fast, but still, I can't wait till September 1st. The next one comes out. Is The Chronicles of Vladimir Todd. It's by what's her face? Heather Brewer. This is called 8th Grade Bites. It's very awesome. Favorite. That's the first book. This is the second one of The Chronicles of Vladimir Todd. It's called 9th Grade Slays. And this is another really good book. Well, it's the same book. The third one, though. Called 10th Grade Bleeds. And the fourth one, the best one that I read first because I'm very strange, is The Best Picture. Yeah, The Best Picture. And it is called 11th Grade Burns. Burns, dude. Do you know it really sucks? It had to end in a cliffhanger. Even though I never watched it, it's still called a cliffhanger when they end in something bad. Okay, seriously, dude. And since this is my finale, I'm going to show you a shirt that I designed. Okay, put it down for me. Okay, now. It's called Since I'm Obsessed with Vampires, I Heart Vampires. Yes, it's very awesome. And you can get this shirt. Well, if you know my email address, which I'm pretty sure you guys do know. Yes, you can order this shirt. Now I only have one because, well, because I only got one. I never made, yeah. Vampire, I Heart Vampires. And that is all I have for you. So this is a season finale, so I guess it's goodbye until like, what's after July? In July, the next season 2 of the Insectosaurus will be on. So bye guys! Bye, see you next in July. Bye!